People often don't realize that doors should be sealed on the top and bottom. And this one here got wet, so it's all swollen and split and barely salvageable, to be honest, but I can make it work. You can see here it says warranty void if not sealed 6 sides. So good reason to seal your doors on all 6 sides, or make sure that your painter does. I have these doors, MDF, already all painted a long time ago, it looks like. They were sitting on the floor and got wet. Not sure exactly how, but you can see there it's all swollen, cracked. So that's the bottom, so I'm going to repair that. That there. Gonna glue it and clamp it together, and then a little bit of planing and sanding to get everything straight and flush again. So gotta do that on several doors there. Let's see. All right, let's get started. Alright, so I got the first one all glued up, glued and clamped. I'll let that set for, I think it needs to be clamped for at least half an hour, so I'll probably give it about an hour. And come back to it, pull the clamps off. I might put a couple pin nails in the corners, we'll see about that. And continue on with the rest of the doors. All right, here's one, all done, just like new. Needs a little bit of touch-up paint. There we go.